So in the question we have that two liquids are at temperature 60 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. So T1 is equal to 60 degrees Celsius for one liquid, and for the other it is 20 degrees Celsius. They have their mass ratio. This is liquid 1. Mass of liquid 1 is M1 and that of liquid 2 is M2. And specific heat of liquid 1 is S1 and that of liquid 2 is S2. They have given that their masses are in the ratio of 3:4. So M1 is to M2 is equal to 3:4. And the ratio of their specific heats, that is S1 is to S2, is equal to 4:5. We need to find the resultant temperature, that is TR. We know TR is equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. M1 is 3, S1 is 4, M1 is 3, S1 is 4, T1 is 60 degrees Celsius, plus M2 is 4, S2 is 5, T2 is 20 by M1, that is 3, S1 is 4 plus M2 is 4, M2 over here is 4 into S2, that is 5. 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 4 3 is 12, 720, 3 into 4 into 60 is 720, plus 4 into 5 20, 20 into 20 is 400 by, this becomes 32. 5 4 is 20 plus 3 4 is 12, 20 plus 12 is 32. 720 plus 400 is 1120 divided by 32. This is the TR. So 32 ones, 32 5s. So TR, or the resultant temperature, is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. So the option is 4.